They call it Kashi, some say Varanasi, others Banaras, the city of light, the land of faith, where time stands still. It is said you don't come here by chance. You come only when Kashi calls you. On these ancient ghats, life and death walk together, in peace, not in fear. The river watches silently, carrying countless stories and prayers. And this is Kashi. Eternal, mysterious, majestic, alive, colorful, musical. You can describe it with any phrase. The city is just 500 kilometers from my city. I have crossed so many times, but I never get a chance to truly see it. For years, I stay on my bucket list, a dream waiting to happen. And finally, the day came. I packed my bag, packed my camera, and decided to dive into the narrow lanes of Banaras. It's just me, my camera, and this city. This moment I arrived, it felt chaotic, noisy, crowded, alive. But as soon as I reached the ghats, everything changed. The noise faded, the heartbeat slowed down, and I felt calm. A calm only Banaras can give you. There is something strange about solitude in Banaras. Even in the middle of the crowd, you somehow feel alone, but not lonely. Maybe it's the way that Ganga moves slowly, steady, and timeless. I often wonder why are people so emotionally attached to this city. I'm not a deep spiritual person, but I truly admire the faith that lives here. As Satyajit Ray once said, Banaras is older than history, older than tradition, even older than legend, and look twice as gold as all of them put together. And maybe that's why it pulls you in, not with a reason, but with something deeper. It was my first Ganga Aarti, truly magical, colorful, and musical. I honestly run out of words to describe it. Life feels so beautiful when you take a moment for yourself and enjoy the small things. But nowadays, many of us forget to love ourselves, always chasing something that might not even matter to our lives. I feel so lucky that the universe gave me a chance to experience the life I want, meeting new people, exploring new places, and feeling that guiding light that helps me live fully. A few years ago, I was introduced to the world of Satyajit Ray's cinema. Growing up, I read various novels by Vibhutibhushan Bandyopadhyay and one film, Oparjito by Satyajit Ray, deeply inspired me to visit this magical city. The old structures and narrow passes of Banaras whisper a different story at every corner. The city isn't perfect though, but sometimes it's imperfections that make something truly beautiful.
पोचू आमच्या खाना चर्चा की गाड़ी क्या निरंतर राजू भैया फोन लगो और गाड़ी दूर राजू भैया का आदर नहीं बनारस में गाड़ी राजू भैया फोन करे तो वहाँ पे अवसर बनावा तो मतलब की गाड़ी आई।
Sometimes I think about how small our lives really are, and yet we spend so much of our time fighting and arguing over the smallest things. Money, relationships, everything matters in life. We can't deny that money gives us the freedom to live, and relationships give us the beautiful experience of love. But sometimes we become greedy and forget our roots, and we forget the true meaning of living and enjoying life. When you visit Banaras, everything else fades away and you begin to rediscover the true purpose of existence.